This Century 21 United Property video is presented by Diane Cupit. Wonderful home in Westlakes Subdivision. Totally updated throughout. This home features a spacious floor plan. Large living area with built-in bookcases and a fireplace. Nice kitchen with lots of cabinets, bay window overlooking covered patio and large fenced backyard. 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. The exterior of home has all been freshly painted, new roof. This home will qualify for all types of financing. Nice size brick workshop. For more information, review the details below.